Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about angles. Have a look at these images. The hands of the clock. The edges of your study table. Observe your body parts. All of these images make angles from a specific point. What is an angle? Turning point of an object creates an angle. In other words, an angle is the space between two straight lines that start at the same point. Generally, an angle can be drawn by two rays. Let's say, ray OA and ray OB. By sharing their common point, an angle is formed. Common point O, which makes an angle, is called the vertex. These two rays, ray OA and ray OB, are called arms. This angle is named as angle AOB or angle BOA. But it can never be angle OAB or angle BAO. The vertex should be at the center. We normally use this type of symbol to represent an angle. So instead of writing an angle, we can use a symbol. It's also called angle AOB or angle BOA. Another way of writing this angle is, but I recommend you try to write three letters, like angle AOB or angle BOA. Measuring an angle is not about measuring the lengths of the arms. When working with angles, we measure the amount of rotation. The standard unit for measuring the amount of rotation is the degree. There are total 360 degrees. We use a special tool to measure an angle. It's called Protractor. A protractor has two scales. It starts from 0 to 180 degrees, and again 0 to 180 degrees. These two scales help us to measure an angle from one of the two arms. This is called the baseline. The midpoint of the baseline is called the center. To measure an angle, we set one of the two arms on the baseline, such that the vertex should be at the center. Look at the arm on the baseline. Read the measurement on the scale. Start from 0 degrees. It is 40 degree. So, angle AOB measures 40 degree. You can also measure an angle from this side. Set this arm on the baseline, such that the vertex should be at the center. Read the measurement on the scale. Start from 0 degrees. From this side, it is again 40 degree. We use a special symbol to represent degree. It looks like this. So, angle AOB or angle BOA equals 40 degrees.